Praise be to my God and Savior Jesus. Hey guys, so I've been working on this mini Unity project for a while, and this mainly arose out of curiosity of how games like some of these games like Assassin's Creed, Prince of Persia handle wall climbing, ledge climbing mechanism. This may not be what I have done, may not be exactly what they do, but this is something I have figured out and I have learned over a course of 4 or 5 months. The project itself I did for a year, but I worked on it for a total of 4 months or 3 months maybe. It took a time because I'm a Unity noob, a Mac noob, but I hope it helps someone who really wants to work with wall climbing. So what I have finally is this. What I'm interested in showing you is the code behind this and some of the mechanisms that I have used. Okay, so this is pretty much what I'm doing. So one thing you have to remember is, so what I have done is purely for wall climbing, and it may not be a complete system, it may not be a flawless system, but it will give you a direction of, this is probably one of the methods that might work. This is probably one of the methods that you can start with. Use as a first method that you are trying. And the third person controller, everything that is used here is something I developed for my own purpose, and especially the third person controller I didn't focus on much. So please don't go by it. So for example, look at this. So when I drop from the ledge, because he takes a while. So it's as if he's in the moon or in the space. Okay, so don't go by the third person controller. This is mainly to the series is mainly to demonstrate the wall climbing system that I have developed, what I understand about the wall climbing system. So see you soon in the future videos.